Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to save contacts on iPhone if you are unable to save contacts. If you are unable to save contacts on your iPhone and now you want to save some contacts, so you have to enable some settings. For this you have to open settings and here tap on your profile. In profile you have to go to iCloud. Here's that, tap on it. In iCloud look for save to iCloud and then open CR. Here you have to look for contacts. Here's that. You can see it is now enabled. You just have to disable it first and then enable it again. Let's see how. Just tap on it and then tap on keep on my iPhone, and after doing this just enable it again, then tap on merge. And then if the problem doesn't solve, you have to go to your main settings, and main settings just scroll down and look for apps. Here's the apps and tap on it. In apps you have to look for contacts. Here contacts, tap on it, and here contacts account, tap on it. In contact account you can see I have two accounts to save my contacts. First choose iCloud and do the same thing which we have done. First disable it, then tap on keep on my iPhone, and after doing this enable it again and then tap on merge. Now go back and do the same thing with Gmail account. Here's some contacts, just tap on it to disable it and then you have to enable it again. After doing this you have to go back. If it doesn't work, so you just need to check your phone storage. So in main settings you have to look for iPhone storage. First open general. In general here you have the option of iPhone storage, tap on it, and here you can see my storage is almost half full. So if you have not enough storage, so you just have to clean your storage. But if it doesn't work, so you just have to do the last step. For this you have to don't allow some restrictions on contacts. First you have to open screen time. In screen time scroll down and select content and privacy restriction, tap on it, and here you have option of contacts, tap on it, and here you have to select don't allow changes, and after that select allow changes again, and then you have to disable this setting, just tap on it. So it's maybe your problem will be solved, but if it doesn't solve, you have the last option, which is to make a force restart to your iPhone. So let's see how can you do it. To make a force restart to your iPhone, you have to follow a method. First, you have to quickly press and release the volume up button and then volume down button, and after that keep and hold the power button. So let's do it. First volume up, then volume down, and then power button, and here you have to slide it to power off. Just slide it, and here you can see I have powered off my phone. Now I'm going to power it on. Press and hold the power button until you will show an Apple logo on your phone. So that's means you have make a force restart to your phone, and after doing this you have successfully solved your problem, and now you will be able to save contacts on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.